Hey guys, I got something I want to share with you. A tip I want to share with you. This is actually a dog nail clipper, and I use it for stripping wires. It works excellent. Get a piece of wire here and show you. Just take the wire, stick it right in the nail clipper, press, and you can see the insulation is actually moved up, so there's separation in between there. You just take your finger. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah. I'm gonna try it again. This that's Hertz dog nail clipper. Take it, press, and you can see right there the separation. You can actually see it right there. The separation. Just take your finger, pop it right on off. Yeah, so actually a great tool to have. You wouldn't think that, but yeah, it's a Hertz dog nail clipper. You can probably get these for like $25. I actually picked this one up at the yard sale, so yeah, it's a great tool. So that's my tip for today.